In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quote in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can confidently generate quotes for your customers and link them to your existing records. Feel free to follow along in your own Zoho CRM as you listen. First, from your Zoho CRM home screen, look for the main navigation menu and click on the Quotes tab. This is where all your quotes are stored and managed. If you like using keyboard shortcuts, you can also open this section by pressing Shift+E. Once you're in the Quotes module, you'll see a list of any existing quotes your team has already created. To create a new one, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the New button. This opens a blank quote form where you'll enter all the details. Again, if you prefer shortcuts, you can use C+E to quickly start a new quote. Now let's fill in the basic details. Begin by selecting the account name, which is the customer's company. Once you choose the account, you can also select the specific contact person associated with that account, so the quote is tied to the right individual. If this quote is related to a particular deal or potential opportunity you're already tracking, link it to that existing deal. This helps you keep your pipeline organized and gives you better reporting later. Next, add a clear subject line so it's easy to recognize the quote at a glance. For example, website redesign package or annual software subscription. Then set the quote date, which is usually today's date or the date you're issuing the quote, and choose an expiry date so your customer knows how long the pricing is valid. After the basics are in place, scroll down to the Quoted Items section. This is where you add the products or services you're quoting. You can add items by clicking Add Row or by searching for existing products and services already defined in your Zoho CRM. For each item, enter the quantity, confirm or edit the list price, and then apply any discount if you're offering special pricing. Take a moment here to double-check your entries. Accurate quantities and prices will save you from revisions later. As you add items, Zoho CRM will automatically calculate the subtotal, any taxes based on your setup, and the grand total. Review these numbers to make sure everything looks correct and matches what you intend to offer. Below that, you'll find a space for terms and conditions and additional descriptions. This is where you can include payment terms, delivery timelines, scope notes, or any important disclaimers. Clear terms help avoid confusion with your customer and set proper expectations. Once you've reviewed all the details, scroll back up or down to find the Save button and click it. Your quote is now created and stored in Zoho CRM, ready to share with your customer or convert into the next stage of your sales process.